to create a Gmail account, how you can create a Gmail account, and also to get a free 15 GB from Google Drive. Now first we have to understand, we have to open a browser and then type the address. We have to type the address for a Google here. To typing the address, we are landing here to the Google website. Then we have to press the sign in button, which is been there in the then after getting here, we have to press the create account button. Here is 3 type of email creation. We have to choose the first one. Somebody can go with the second, third as well. Now here you have to type. There is 2 lines. In the first line you have to place first part of your name, and in the second, which is optional, you can mention the second part of your name and then go with the next button. Type your name, first part and then second part, and then go with the next button. Then it's basic information about the date of birth. Google is asking palette, and then you will have to go with the next button here, and then go with the next page. Here we got it as the detail we have given there. Select the choice you made there. In the first 2 you have both of the choice, and then in the third one, in case your mind get changed and you go with back customization to change something, we have to go with the first one as what we have created, and then press next. Here we have to type the password as per Google instruction. They have put letters, numbers and symbols. It should be mixed with the letters, numbers and symbol. Letters A, B, C till Z, and the number is 1 to 9, 0 from 0 to 1 to 9. And then symbol slash asterisk 8, etc. Accordingly you have to type. It should be total 8 character, but they have not mentioned. We are trying to put 7. Let us see. Here on the side button there is a I button. There is the side button which show the password, and also in the next down there is a show password button as well, which show both of the part, where you can see and identify the error in case you might have, and then go with the next. There they are coming with the error where we have to put 8 character, then adding 2 more word, and then go with the next. Now it's fine. Here they are asking for the mobile number to get verify mobile number you have to properly type. We are going to blur it for the security reason. Properly type the mobile number, check it and make sure you have nothing wrong there, because a small mistake can go to other fellow, and the SMS which we have to get after this, it is 6 digits. In case you have put the number 1 digits wrong, it will go to somebody else. But now we have to press this next button. We have got the SMS in mobile for a 6 digits. It should be typed here, and then we have to go for the next. Then we are getting this step. You can add the recovery email in case you might later have any issue with password or account recovery. You can utilize that. We are going with the next step to skip this. It is optional, so you can just skip this as well. Now you have to review your account information, mobile and Gmail which is there, and then go with the next step. Now Google has provided the terms and condition here. You can view and study in case you want, and then press I agree button which is down there. This whole information has been created and the Gmail account is done. Now we have to check the Gmail inbox. Gmail account has been created. So we have 3 primary and promotion social folder here, and then we have to see the Google Drive which we got a 15 GB space free from Google. This is absolutely free. You can save your data or your important folder here. It could be accessed from anywhere where you have the internet access. It is easily been operated. You can press the plus button to upload a file or upload a folder, complete folder as well. This is for the Gmail creation. Hope the process is very easy and you guys can understand and will not be having any issue to have your own very soon.